go? Who I go call? My world it don't fall, yo. Kanameza, kanameva meila. Now who go help me, yo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Kahanameza, where I go, who I go call, my world it don't fall, yo.
Shimaya, but welcome.
Sorry for coming late.
No problem. Welcome.
I have a lot of work with customers.
Yeah, sorry.
Alright.
Give it to me. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Shimaya, nigga, come on, nigga, one hundred. Shimaya, my key, ya woke up there.
Thank you.
That's my love. So then,
Why are you here?
Shimaya, but over. But I don't.
Who is that?
So you need a transaction of 2.5 billion euro.
Jesus, that's big money.
1 million. 1 million naira from me.
1 million naira.
Yes.
From?
Yes.
Where do you expect me to go and get that kind of money? Why not ask your dad?
Dad, no, that requires chicken chain for more than that now. I don't know, that there is insult or is slap to me.
But for me, so where do you expect me to go and get that 1 million naira?
Baby, what am in contribution?
Yes.
Daily contribution. So believe me, with where I'm doing the transaction.
Excuse me. That is people's money, not my money.
Baby, say you want to Nyari kira loan na ki mi do nyari kira in 3 days.
No.
Baby nigga, tell me. Nyari ki nigga, so the transaction because of nigga estate me. Ngo building wa here. Man 2-story building here. So me, I don't know na nyari ki na man rushing. My bay sharp. Then our wedding. If you give her very soon. See why you see to my year of Tewasa. Stereman. I don't know. So I don't know if I am. We am so yaram bay. Russian bay. Me the see to my Pia was only. We are Momoto. It's anyway barbecue.
My dear, let me think about it.
That's my baby. That's my baby.
But I'm not going to give you full assurance because it's not my money.
Baby, no problem. No problem. I'll handle that. That's my love. Let's go, baby. Oh, my love, baby. Guys, I love you.
Raphael.
Mr. Francis.
Shayanga nyane ne wazan yo bishoma poa.
How?
Ya to ya, I kept thinking on a very good day. Yeah, understand man. Simba our partnership with Globacon Tech Resort.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Until then, Sikuluna Nyare from that company, late hours, nothing less than the sum of 5 million naira.
Yeah.
Now the problem is, Madam was saying he didn't go in the country.
Yes.
It means that Tunalu taking all responsibilities, including monetary issues.
Yes.
It means that any nyare kikiva he join alu yemana me yana.
Yeah.
And that is my worries.
Yeah. Mokpakora Zambia serious because Madam, even company no partnership over Sigapa. Ikurum and Yari office every blessed day 5 million. Now in Bamba connection over Sine. In Buzimekur and Yari office nothing less than 15 million naira every blessed day.
That is my worries.
And now my major worry is how Madam no control Yari Kine because in Buzimekur Yari 15 million naira. Yeah, Kakan Arumoto.
Well, as far as Moyan Fayaga, Nyari Kilaka Kilun safeguard because there is no way absolutely Agbape Nyari Kialunyolo in that arena where security alugalaga. The bad people, are we not drinking? The problem now is that Moyan class sure man Memakwaga anymore since the waiters have gone to sleep so that let me just go around or let me meet Madam in the house. Let's find out what to do next.
Abuja tse. Etin agbaga. Siki Abuja ndo. Chachuga. Ndazwa hit igene. Unage Abuja tsega. Agbo. Si Abuja ndo. Abuja so shine so gaba. Mva Abuja ko can flyovers go. Moya. Saruka na o me am fuck venega. But Moya are the big boss. Mva Abuja ko can flyovers go. That's why he tigane. Kwasu gane. Tinale. Tim kurangi mombo. Hey, Dauphin! Kakwazu, I hid it from abroad, yeah. Ngwe yo, katikuna ha.
Hi.
Yangi and Daviga, I business. The actual nyari, million Utagaga, young like Doga. Nah, Kawaii Vega. See hit your killer, it was a your way.
Hi, boss. No suggestion. Mom mega since Iru kwasa ru nyare tambere ya. Mom nega ma that close to him. Na ma bunda my employ mo yana. You understand? So mama create a chance for mama ni nyo direct. Nega na.
Let it do.
Yes, boss.
La viga. Ba unage. Je ko ingo. Uso mo boje ko lo mo ingo no ko mo ngezaza. O ye mu da yi ton, o e ton zaza. Chi vese.
No, go so see la sharp.
Oh no. What alone close to Kwasla as a worker. 5 years now before 7 years case Zahish Laga. I go back out
Yes. So suggestion la Lady.
Boss. Suggestion, I don't know. I'm going to give my senior Hijira. If you black hours out, do Yarikira with him here. Masi attack very much and go in Yarikira. Yes, boss.
You're bad.
Boss.
Kwangu zangu yoke mhili anywhere.
Boss, I don't go luga.
Them Morocco fagaya. Office was like with security. Tight security. I'm a kaka no homa president ba. Fuck off. What's like with bodyguard? God don't know how office. Just na kabe ha ajira. Alo sasa mai na back kaya. Chuma na lama. Ah. Anwe, you back kaya. Chu ya tana hana. Mo nage. Ikiabe tsome bisulumi bana be kuma kwaga. Police by Njira everywhere. Cause la mo with that bodyguard. How much a car palm alwe mi ha. Now so do one can ask ba na shi olo shi uma.
For we maka mimi.
Boss, ka foko.
Mo ka kuma pe penga onwe yata kuma mga. Agbo mi yata.
So na go to na go.
Well, motion do hand one. But you wash it back. Mama to go lot do hand humbo one ya.
So.
And boss, do me.
But I'm handing by every door back. We are hand one guy. Now I'm making the touching the corner again to me heart attack.
So
What's that? Que kutomera. Mwenye yake banka hachukiru tu. Ka yime mikiru hiyana.
Okay.
Manage. Yange ya toma. Izua less than 5 million yangla tondoga.
What?
wow.
Na hiyala. Ka house girl. Ma get mate duluye. Mambaro ne kiabi tomega.
What?
Shout you police by escorting my van hiyaga. Bodyguard. Come over here. I am. Now, can you a boss hit here?
So.
Cap cordial.
Boss.
Boss. After you, now you again. Mega. I don't know we gaga. We're gonna more.
Hey, you will know. You will know.
Who are try you?
Nobody.
For this town.
Not even God.
We go match and down.
God, they behind me. Boss, now boss.
After you, now you.
Want try.
If you be boss, you be boss.
So.
Anytime you enter the place, then the boss.
So.
Anytime I pour champagne, then the call.
Jack, look. Excuse me, please. Who are you? Now what where is Monica? How did this one get here? Where is Monica?
Hey,
where
madam. She come up with a guy as a beggar. Them cowboy. Come on! You're boss of the bosses here. Ufaga. Nade, mvaya kuvishika. Itiyo edofa, katiyo laka. Katiuka. Vai show vinga. Mfadito. Ubeyo shi yo. You swimming money. Now vai ko vo kwa. Be ya tom ko yaga. Oh, he can say 5 million. He ya hen. Chewa yo. Oh, he can say 5 million. He ya hen. Ngo vabe gange ham. So I will send it. Oh, that's not. Wow, bad. Cousin God. Come on, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. Come on. Be happy now. Party, party, party. Say no, say no, say no. Say that's it, that's it. Hey, I'm going. Mother, I'm going. Okay, ma. Sorry, ma.
Where I go, who I go call, my world it don't fall, yo. Kanameza, kanameva meira, now who go help me, yo.
for Mimi. She come Mimi like say no one way. Yokana. Monica. How will anything don't want to have the word here. Will not tackle the machine. Autopsy, but really autopsy, Carvesi, can you work Madame Queen? I never will support if you work. What's it called? Jack, I want to see what I can sing it all. Jack, okay. Officer.
Sir.
I think we are done.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Where I go, who I go call, my world it don't follow. Kana me va me now who go help me?
I know more the big boss. Crocodile, GD, Tumble, Mother Jakia. When you want back and want to my back and we vacation over to dealer. In your car again for what?
Boss.
Like saying, look at just mad. Just clear.
Yeah, I don't even know. As in how
Hey! Hey! It don't happen. Hey! It don't happen. Come on. Kakwan nigga mega. Abu Jatse kwa. Mauna kakichimena na Naga.
Get down, Mopika. Sit here. Don't move. Stay there. What is that, Mopika? Don't let you. Officer, take cover. Move them. Take them.
Are you what?
Stay here. Take them. Shut up. Move. Look at. Move. Oh yeah, move, see. Move that part out now. Oh yeah. Let them miss now. Bring them to the car fast. Eh? Move, come on. Shut up. Where? Look at.
Officer, yes. Confirm the arrest of those hardened criminals.
That's very good. You arrested them?
Yes, sir.
Take care of them.
Okay,
Make sure you force all of them.
Okay,
You hear
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Osi, make sure you fix them very well.
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Now, tell us the truth of what has happened. Yangi, Iwa Madame La, Yang over here, Shika here.
Officer, Mufakoro Lago, record my name, Chani Bimel.
You think we're joking here? That day that Madame was murdered, you came to that house. What took you there? Now, will you... Tell me exactly what happened there. If not, see, all these tools you see here, we use them on you. Because that day that Madame was murdered, you went to that house. What took you there?
I need oxygen.
So this idiot. You think we're joking? Ready to talk now? Are you ready to talk now? Officer, we can waste this idiot. Officer, sir, torture this man till he confess. Take, you can talk now. You are ready to talk. Start confessing.
Baga. Saya ya sisa kula gongo njo. Ya so madam anasia. She was in your layer. Madam had a bag. But go to it. I could burn her. I said, no longer.
Imagine rubbish. This guy, you think you are a hardened criminal?
I'm going to show you.
Now, officer. Sir! Treat this man very well until he confess. I'm coming back, right? Permission carry on, sir. I'm coming. You! Think I play with you? Speak! Speak out! I said speak! Speak! Speak now! Baby, come on!